大家好. Welcome back to another lesson on American English pronunciation. My name is Mark, and I live in the United States of America. I'm an English teacher, and I help Chinese students improve their English pronunciation. In this lesson today, I am going to teach you a very simple, short word. This is the word both. B-O-T-H. Both. It's very simple, but many Chinese students do not pronounce it properly. I have heard Chinese students say boat. Boat. This is not correct. The correct pronunciation is both. Both. In this lesson today, I will teach you a few examples of how you can use this word in a sentence. The first example is this picture here. We see a man and a woman. It looks like they're drinking coffee. We can put the word both at the beginning of the sentence and say, both of these people are drinking coffee. Both of these people are drinking coffee. We can also put the word both in the middle of the sentence, and we can say, they are both drinking coffee. Very good. So we can talk about two people or two things, and we could use, like in Chinese, maybe you would say, 两个都. They are both. Okay, that's one way to use the word both. Another way to use the word both is when you use the Chinese characters like ji and you. You might talk about Shanghai and say Shanghai, ji 很传统, you 很现代化. You can say in English, Shanghai is both traditional and modern. Shanghai is both traditional and modern. So you can use both like 两个都, or you can also use both when you describe something like a city, like ji and you in the sentence. To review, we have the picture of the two people drinking coffee. They are both drinking coffee. And in this picture, Shanghai is both traditional and modern. So now you have a better understanding of how to use the word both in a sentence. So thank you for watching this video, and until I see you next time, I will say 再见.